Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Thank you for joining me again for another little bit of Spanish, you guys. It has been quite the morning. I was walking my dog Bella this morning. Whew, and what happened, there were two big dogs that are usually with the dog walkers running loose. One is a 100-pound Rottweiler, and the other one is like a mixed breed dog, about 70-80 pounds. Bella's about 60 pounds. My heart was pounding. The first thing came out of my mouth, Ayudame, Ayudame, Ayudame. There were some gardeners walking. The dogs were heading straight for us at full speed. So, Ayudame, Ayudame is help me, help me. And they came running over and was screaming to deter the dogs away from us. And I got Bella, grabbed her leash, and we were flying home. So I've already had a tense morning. I'm going to pray now and sit and relax and thank God that it wasn't anything worse than what it actually was. But when you are in a distressful situation and you don't speak Spanish, but you need help, you need to know how to say ayúdame, ayúdame, help me, help me. And that will at least get someone get someone's attention and get someone to come over and see what is going on. So little things like that come in handy, things we should all know. All right, thank y'all for watching. Every Thursday are the regular episodes, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then every day is Spanish. So hit your like, subscribe, and share. Turn on your notification bell so that way you can know when the Spanish lessons are dropped, okay? And this video is shaking because my hands are shaking like crazy. I can't stop them because that scared me so bad. So I'm going to try to regroup and reset this morning, everybody. So have a great day. Thank y'all for joining me.